Hello everyone. Today I received 2 packets from AliExpress, but I don't have any pending orders from them. So I already opened it to see what's inside. And this is what's inside the 2 packets. These are Christmas stickers. So now I know where it's from. It's from Elisha of wagman510. That's her YouTube channel, wagman510. So she have a portion in her channel. It's called We Wishes and Weighty Wants, and my We Wishes was Christmas stickers. So she sent me this stickers from AliExpress. Let's have a look. Wow, these are very cute. See all these stickers. It says Merry Christmas. The penguins, there's Santa Claus, reindeers, and a lot of designs. There's a lot of designs. Well, thank you, Elisha. Let's see if this one is the same. Oh, this one is the same. Oh, these are very cute. And this is from the other pocket. Thank you so much, Elisha, for sending me this Christmas stickers. Now I have a lot of stickers to use for my Christmas projects. Thank you so much. You have been very, very generous. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.